Hello friends, welcome you all. Today we are going to learn about the exercise number 11 of course Ento 232 for the semester 3rd new, and the exercise number 11 includes the compatibility of pesticides and phytotoxicity of the insecticides. Here, before going towards our exercise, we should know about the compatibility and the phytotoxicity. It is the important terms or the things regarding when the application of the insecticides in our field. So let us start. What is mean by compatibility? The compatibility it is given by the scientist Cox, and the compatibility it means that it is the treatment of two or more pesticides or fungicides or fertilizers are sprayed or applied in the same operation to minimize cost of labor. It means that instead of the single pesticide or spraying of the single pesticide, we should mix the two or more than two pesticides in a one combinations, and we can spray this combination in on our crop to reduce the impact of multiple pests in our field. Before mixing two different chemicals, their physical and chemical properties should be well understood. Incompatible pesticides should not mix because only here because the incompatible pesticides it produce a phytotoxicity effect on the plants. So we should go towards only the compatible pesticides, or we should go toward the mix only the compatible pesticides. When two or more ingredients or a successful spray or a dust mixture, they are said to be complete or complete. So, if you mix the two different pesticides in combinations, if they will be the incompatible, they produce a three types of incompatibility in that mixture. In that, the first that is the chemical incompatibility, second biological incompatibility, and third physical incompatibility. In that, the first that is the chemical incompatibility. Chemical compound in the two pesticides reacts with another, producing a different compounds, reducing the pesticidal activity of the pesticides. That is nothing but the degradation of the active ingredient present in the main pesticides. That is the chemical incompatibility. It means that the chemical incompatibility directly proportional to the degradation of the active ingredient present in the pesticides. Second, biological incompatibility, also called as phytotoxic incompatibility. The mixed product exhibits phytotoxic actions which independently is not a phytotoxics. Okay. Next, that is the physical incompatibility. A physical form of the pesticides change and one of them become unstable or hazardous for application. The scientist Gray in 1914 worked on the pesticide combination, and also he divided the mixture of the insecticides and fungicides into 5 classes designated by a letter A1, A, B, C and the D. So we should know about the insecticide mixtures in their combinations of the pesticides. Here, recently combination of the insecticides are recommended to control the insect pests which are resistant to major pesticides that are used commonly, because these insecticide mixtures are visually prepared which have a different mode of action, that is the organophosphate or carbamates with a systemic pyrethroids, so that development of resistance to this combination is extremely rare, but they are not prepared by combining organophosphate and the carbamates which have same mode of actions. It means that the two pesticides or the two group of the pesticide which have a two different mode of actions, then we can go toward the compatible or go toward the mixing. Then in this chart shows the insecticide mixtures. These are just some of the examples of the insecticide mixtures available in market. In that, the Neural D505, Polytrin C44EC, Duet 17EC, Spark 36EC, Nagata 45EC. Then this chart shows the which are the different pesticides or fungicides or fertilizers. It is a compatible to each other. The red sign indicate that these two combination does not mix to each other because they produce a incompatible mixture or they produce a phytotoxic effect on the plants. Then, if the combination of the mixture or insecticide mixture is incompatible, they produce a phytotoxic effect on the plants. So, what is mean by phytotoxicity? Phytotoxicity means harmful or lethal to plant. Phytotoxicity is the degree to which the chemical or the other compounds is toxic to plants. Here, these are some of the phytotoxic effects produced due to the wrong mixture of the pesticides. In that, the burning effect, necrosis effect, chlorosis, leaf distortion, and the stunting of the plant growth. Here in this slide, you can see here the chlorosis, necrosis, bronzing of leaves, scorching, and some of the different phytotoxic effects. It is produced due to the incompatible mixture of the pesticides. Then next our topic is that is the first aid for the pesticide poisoning. If the during the application, if the pesticide poisoning is occurs in that particular in that labors, so which are the different things include in their first aid techniques? In case of the suspected poisoning, call on the physician immediately before calling on a doctor. First aid treatment can be done by any persons. So these are the some of the pesticide poisoning occurs in that swollen poisons, skin contamination, and inhaled poison. These are some of the pesticide poisoning occurs in the labor during application of the pesticides. So here, in case of swollen poison, during vomiting, head should be face downwards. Then stomach content should be removed within 4 hours of poisoning. To give a soothing effect, give either egg mixed with water, gelatin, butter, cream, milk, mash, and potato. In case of nicotine poison, give a coffee or strong tea. In case of skin contamination, contaminated cloths should be removed and thoroughly washed with soap and water. Then inhale poisoning, person should be moved to ventilated place after the losing the tight cloths and avoid applying the frequent pressure on the chest. Then this is the another major important things related to the pesticide poisoning, that is the antidotes. Antidotes is mean that the substance that are used to cure the case of the insecticidal poisoning are known as the antidotes. Here this is the one of the best example, that is a universal antidotes. It contains 2 parts of activated charcoal, 1 part of magnesium oxides, and 1 part of tannic acids. It is mixed with a half glass of warm water. So it is the antidotes. Antidotes is nothing but the one of the major substance. It is mostly used to cure the insecticidal cases. It is useful for acid and heavy metal poisoning. Then specific antidotes. In that specific antidote, these are some of the examples of the specific antidotes. Which these antidotes we can use against the pesticide poisoning, against the different pesticide group. Here this is also some of the examples of the antidotes used against the different poisoning of the pesticides. Okay, thank you.